Hi and welcome to another tutorial on Better Pics for Google Maps. I'm your host Morten Copenhagen. In this video I will be demonstrating how to upload 10 different pictures via the Google Photos app to Google Maps. The first of two methods I will be demonstrating is uploading your images directly from Google Photos. We are right now in Google Photos, and this is the first image that I would like to demonstrate how to upload. If you pull up the menu at the bottom down here, you can see there is a share icon. I'll hit the share icon right now. And at the bottom, you can see Add to Maps. In fact, you might not see it right there. Then you have to scroll out to the side and find it. And then it'll become further to the left next time you need it. I'll just share this photo of the cafe called Cafe 11 to Google Maps by hitting this icon down here called Add to Maps. This starts the app called Google Maps itself. At the top, you can see this actually says cafe number 11. This is actually cafe number 11. So Google Maps was smart enough to suggest the correct place to post this picture to. So all I have to do right now is actually just to click post, and the image is now on Google Maps. Let's go back and do the next image. The next image is this department store called Magasin du Nord. It's a famous store downtown in Copenhagen. Again, I'll go down here and press the share button, and I'll select Add to Maps. And if you see at the top now, it says King's New Square. Okay, the department store is actually at the King's New Square, but it's not the exact department store. But if you look down here it says department store, and now it's Magasin du Nord at the top. So we found the place on the drop-down list, and now it's posted to Google Maps. This is fast and easy. And we will go back into Photos and look at the next image. This example is where I want to post both of these two images onto Google Maps. So again, I press share, and then I scroll over here and click this one also, and share to Maps. At the top, this is not the name of the store. Let's check the drop-down list. So now we need to use here at the bottom, it says somewhere else. I'll click somewhere else, and then I can start typing the name of this place. It's called La Diosa. Here's now on the list. I'll click it here, and now it's La Diosa at the top, and see the two pictures, and I click post. Then that's done. The next image is of a chemist. We will go back in here, and these are posted. Now it's this one. Okay, share to Google Maps. Now it says it's downloading it, but I don't think it really is. At the top up here, it doesn't say the name. The name is actually Metas. I'll click, come down. Yeah. I don't know if this is Metas at this street address. Let me check. I'll write Metas up here. So now I'm searching. And in fact, in this street called Købmagergade, there's actually two different Metas. So honestly, I need the map now to figure out which one is the right Metas for this picture. And unfortunately, when you use this uploading method, it's not working. I can't switch to the map now and find the right place. So let me go back over here. And now I want just to recap that uploading method number 1 is uploading directly from Google Maps. This is very good if the places are prominent, so they show up as the good suggestion. This is also best when the different places are not too closely set on the map. Then they don't know if it's this or that one. And you also need to know the right spelling and maybe even the street number of the place to pick the right place. So my preferred method is actually the other method that I'll demonstrate in a few minutes. Uploading method number 2 is adding the pictures to the places pages directly in Google Maps. Then I don't use Google Photos to share from. This method is a lot faster if you are having problems with finding the places using method A. And also, if you want an uninterrupted workflow where doing edits along the way and seeing if there's any duplicates and fixing things like that, then uploading method number 2 is definitely also better for you. It's very important that you have something to support you in getting all the pictures uploaded and not uploading duplicates. For that reason, I think it's very important that you don't mix different uploading methods. And also, that's why I want to stick to uploading method B, the one where we upload from the places pages. So let's go back into Google Maps. And again, I'll search for that stop called Metas. Here we go. Let's see, maybe it's this one. Zooms in here. Nope. It's the one further down the street. Let's go down this way. Follow the street down. Where are you? Here it is. See, this is the one. So let's open that places page. Look at this. The image I wanted to upload is actually already one of the best pictures. See, it's one of the featured pictures in for this shop. So of course I can't upload it once again. So return to the map, and if we just go down a little bit, I remember that the next place is this department store, and this is a place, and if we scroll down, we can see, they have about 8,033 pictures already. So it's not going to be very likely that my picture is going to take the top spot. But let's add a picture. We go into Photos, then we click Add Photos, and then we can go to Folder and All My Pictures. So here, this image here is the one I want to upload to here. Select that and then click Done, and then it says it's downloading it, but I don't think it is. So here, let's post that one. And we don't want to do this, and let's just thank you. Let's go back, and just across the street right here is another shop called Louis Vuitton. And that place, if we take a look at this, look at these nice pictures. To be honest, they look very professional. So I doubt I can take a nice spot here or get featured. Let's go to photo. No, I'll show you the other way. From this page here, you can click up here and then take Add Photo. And again, go down to my folder with all my photos. And this is the one I want to upload here. I think it's a nice picture. Let's see how it goes. Uploading now. Now it's uploading. Very good. Thank you. Skip this. And let's go back. And now I have a couple of shops just next to each other right down here on this little street here. See, here is a jeweler. Let's click on that one. And let's see. These are nice pictures. That's a royal car from the royal family. I think my picture has a chance in this place here. So let's upload it. We go to Photos, and we go to Add a Photo, and we go to my folders and all my photos, and this is the one. Yes. Let's post that. Hopefully it could become the cover page. Cover pic. Who knows? Skip this and go back. And now it's very easy because this was the one. And the next one is this right here, and the neighboring. Let's go down here and see this very nice picture that is actually mine. So I have to admit that I don't want to compete with myself in taking the cover pic. So I have to refrain from upload. I can show you the other picture. It's down here. It's this one. So I think the other one that is already there is actually nicer. So I will not post this one. So this actually concludes this video on uploading pictures to Google Maps. Thank you for watching. Local guides can find a link to the tutorial called Better Pics for Google Maps in the description below. See you in the next video.